Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm teacher Jay. Now last week we have talked about two types of word problems, right? Sum and multiple and difference and multiple problems. Now this week we'll be introducing a new type of word problem. It's called quantified sum and difference. Are you ready? Let's go. A group of 3 adults and 5 children bought tickets to watch a concert. Each adult ticket cost $7 more than each child ticket. The group paid a total of $125. Now let's recall from last video. When we encounter a word problems with so many conditions, what is the best way to visualize these conditions? Draw models. So now let's try to observe what information are given to us. We know that there are some adults and children. And how many adults are there? 3 adults. And how many children are there? 5 children. And each adult ticket costs $7 more than each child ticket. Let's say if each child ticket costs 1 unit, what is the cost of each adult ticket? It's 1 unit and the extra $7. Now the group paid a total of $125. How do we indicate this total cost in our model? We know that the cost for each adult ticket are the same, and the cost for each child ticket are also the same. So to indicate the adult cost, we can duplicate the adult ticket for 3 times. And we can also duplicate the child ticket for 5 times. And the total cost is $125. Now the question is asking, what was the cost of each adult ticket? We know that the adult ticket consists of 1 unit and an extra $7. Now the only information we don't know is the value of 1 unit. How do we find out? Let's recall from last video again. When we are given 4 units to 40, how do we find out the value of 1 unit? We first write down 4 units to 40, and then we can use 40 divided by 4 to obtain the value of 1 unit. So that means to find out the value of 1 unit, we first try to locate the number of units and the corresponding value. Now back to this question, where can we find the number of units? Now in the adult's cost, how many units are there? 3 units. And in the children cost, how many units are there? 5 units. So in total there are 3 plus 5 equals to 8 units. And what is the corresponding value of these 8 units? It's 125 minus the 3, 7, which is 125 minus 21, which is $104. So the cost of 1 unit is 104 divided by 8, which is $13. Now, is that the final answer? No, because the cost for each adult ticket has 1 unit and an extra $7. So we need to add 7, which gives us $20. So each adult ticket will cost $20, and we found the answer. Now look at this question. What can we learn from it? In the question, we know that the cost for each adult ticket are the same, and the cost for each child ticket are also the same. So there are multiple identical items here. And in the question, we are given a sum, we are also given a difference. So this is called quantified sum and difference problem. Now let's recall, in quantified sum and difference problem, what have we done to find out the answer? We first draw 2 bars to indicate the value of each individual items in each categories. And then we duplicate these bars for multiple times. And to find out the value of 1 unit, we first try to locate the number of units and the corresponding value. And that's it. So to conclude, in quantified sum and difference problem, when we see multiple identical items, we can duplicate the bars. And to obtain the value of 1 unit, we first try to locate the number of units and the corresponding value. Now if you have understand this, take a look at a very similar question here. If you have finished this question and want to check out the answer, feel free to scan this code and join our WhatsApp group. And if you like this video and want to check out more interesting content, make sure to click the button below and subscribe to our channel. With that, it's time to say goodbye. I'm Teacher Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!